How to turn off automatic brightness on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down to the end and turn off the Auto Brightness feature. Turning off auto brightness may affect battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. Doing this, you can have more control over your device experience. Following these steps, you can easily turn off automatic brightness on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.